So tell me if this has happened to you before. You meet up with an old friend that you haven't seen in a while, and you get to catching up, and you realize that you know a lot more about what's been happening in their lives than you thought you knew. You knew that they recently came back from a vacation, you know that their kids just graduated, or that some major life event just happened for them. And how is it that you knew that information? It's usually because you've been keeping up with them on social media, right? You've either seen these pictures on Facebook, you've seen them post about it on Instagram, so you feel like you know what's been happening in their lives, and you can connect with them over that. So let's talk about how social media can be used as a tool to engage with your employees, with your potential clients, and just with people that you want to stay in touch with. I'm Nicole Abboud of NicoleAbboud.com, and today I want to talk about how you can use social media as a way to engage with your employees by knowing what's going on in their lives. One question that I hear very often from law firm managing partners, from employers, is how can we get our employees to be a little bit more engaged, to be excited to come to work, to be all in on this firm? And one thing that I tell them they should be doing is taking interest in their employees and in their lives and what's going on in their lives as well. So I've been thinking about how social media can be used by law firm partners, again, by employers, to essentially keep track of what's going on in their employees' lives. So by following your employees, by knowing what is going on when they leave the office, by knowing if there's some kind of major life event going on, by understanding what it is that they do when they're not in the office, when they're on their time off, you as the employer can actually get to know your employees on a level that's beyond just work. So imagine just knowing when your employees' birthdays are happening, or whether some major life event just happened. So an employee of yours just bought a new home, just had a baby, they just joined a new organization and they're sitting on the board, so they're super excited. Imagine as that employer knowing about these life events and actually engaging with your employees. So saying congratulations, sending them a birthday card, just knowing when these major events are happening so that you can better engage them. So you can show that you are a leader who is tuned in, you know what's happening in their lives. You're not just seeing them at work and expecting them to just be at work but not exist beyond the 9 to 5. So imagine what you can collect, what information you can hold as an employer, and how you can use that to humanize yourself and to humanize your employees, because after all, they do have lives outside of work. If you've enjoyed this mini training, then there is a lot more where this came from. So I'd love to invite you to check out the rest of our videos on our website. The link is below. And of course, leave your questions and comments below. I'd love to engage with you and hear your thoughts on using social media to engage with your employees. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.